This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Brandon. Why rent when you could own? Move-in ready. Welcome to this end unit with an inviting open floor plan with loft, vaulted ceilings, fireplace and master suite with master bath on the first floor. With great schools, located in the Western Branch School District. Beautiful new hardwood floors with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and new stove just installed. Conveniently located to dining and shopping and interstate access and Shipyards and the Coast Guard base. Call to schedule an appointment. This one won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Brandon at 757-549-2000.